Hi, my program is about show off the concept of events. The purpose of my program is to make the banana fall and make the monkey move right or left to pick up the banana. Every time the monkey could pick the banana, it would say yummy. But if it missed the banana, it will say I missed a banana. And here the codes for banana. My code works by using events in this part to make the banana continually move downwards. Also, the user will use the right arrow or left arrow to make the monkey move towards where the banana falls to pick it up. If I would change this code like this, instead of move 10 steps, I'll change to 50 steps and move back to negative 50, so the monkey will move faster. Let me run it. Okay, now it can run faster and it can pick up more banana, I think. So the monkey will move faster compared to the original code. Thank you.